Hazrat Ibn Shihab narrates that during Hazrat Uthman's reign, Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu told him, when Hazrat Huzaifa bin al-Yaman, accompanied by the Syrians and the Iraqis, was winning victories over Armenia and Azerbaijan, he came to Hazrat Usman, the chief of the believers, for he got extremely frightened due to the difference in the mode of recitation of the Muslim. So Hazrat Huzaifa submitted to Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu, O the chief of the believers, help this ummah before they indulge in dissension regarding the book as the Jews and the Christians did. So Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu conveyed request to Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha to send them the actual copy of the Quran which was in her custody, and that they would later return it. Thereupon Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha sent Hazrat Usman that volume. Thereafter he passed orders for Hazrat Zaid bin Haris, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair, Hazrat Saeed bin al-As, and Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin al-Haris bin Hisham radiyallahu anhu, and they in pursuance of it prepared its copies. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu said to the later three Qurayshis that if there occurred any clash between you and Zaid bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu about anything, you must write it in accordance with the dialect of the Quraysh, for the Quran has been revealed in their dialect. So they did the same, and the original copy was handed back to Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha. Then each of the volumes copied was sent to different areas, and orders were issued that whatever written material one had under the title of the Quran which clashed with it must be burnt. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4987.